So, it's Boxy Charm time, and I opened it because crooked. No, it's not why I opened it. But yesterday I had a bad day, and I had intended, and now I'm bumping the camera. Good job, Dar. I had intended to film this, but it was a day that ended with much crying and grumpiness, so wasn't gonna subject you guys to that. So, I, in a fit of childish anticipation, let's use that word, decided I was gonna open it because I waited for a very long time to open this. I got this last week, right before my work week started, without enough time to film, and now I'm getting around to it. So, it's a full Yachty card, again this month, and I've already washed and moisturized my face. The skincare item this time is this Needles No More Baggage Depuffer Gel from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt seems to be a common BoxyCharm brand, and this is a $42 value. We will see. The last time they gave us a Dr. Brandt product, it was not value on the card. If I find a discrepancy, I'll let y'all know, as I always do. It's a squeezy tube, and it's fighting me. Ooh, it's orange. Does it disappear when you rub it in, or is it like a corrector? I don't know. We will see. Feels thick. It says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested-looking under eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Depuffin Gel. Formulated with biometric technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed to visually reduce under eyes and dark circles. Do I look less tired? I don't know. I feel like I always look tired. Maybe. We'll see. I feel like first use of a skincare item isn't normally a good assessment. Now the next thing in my box is this Ready Set Radiant Tarte Mist. $25 value. Give the skin the glow it deserves with this antioxidant-packed cucumber fruit and plant extract skin tonic. That makes it sound really fancy. Probably not that fancy. I bet alcohol is the second or third ingredient on here. Oh, it's not. But glycerin is. There is alcohol on the list though. It's just more towards the middle. The non-sticky mist delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. Refreshed, all tired, and sluggish feeling skin. Sluggish feeling skin. I've never described my skin as sluggish feeling. It's more of a me feeling. Throughout the day, or use after your skincare routine to balance, tone, and boost your complexion. Let's use that today like that. People use stickers on things. Oh. Makes that noise where it's like... Smells delightful. Like fruit extracts of some sort. The mist wasn't that bad either. Alright, so The last 3 items in my box are makeup related. I got this Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. This award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, conditioning your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. This is $24 mascara. Alright, we'll try that out after I do my makeup. Then we got this Tantalizing Taupe Brow Cream from Shella? Shella, that's how I'm reading it. This is a $26 product, which for 1.8 grams of brow product, $26 seems a little expensive. Tiny bit. Add some wow to your brows. This innovative brow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Alright. So I fiddled with this last night because I was like, what is this thing? And I pulled the lid off and I was staring at it and I'm like, what, does it like twist up? No, it's one of those ones with like a pomade in the bottom. Doesn't smell like anything, if anybody was curious. So we'll use that. And the last thing, goodbye box, is this. This is a blush. Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil from Note. This is for all skin types. It's supposed to last all day. While it cares all day long with argan oil it contains, it also brightens your face with its formula that does not dry the skin. Does not contain paraben. Apply a little amount of product with circular motions from cheekbone to upper ear with the brush. Dermatologically tested. And this is 5.5 grams. The shade is Desert Rose. That is the color. It's kind of, I would say, orangey. Not like super orange, but like a little bit orange. And this is the brush they give you, which, gone. Alright, so, it even has a little mirror. See you guys right there? See you? Alright, let's put this on my face. Eyebrow thing, he just tried to run away. Apparently he doesn't believe in it. Would that be running away because it doesn't believe in itself or just doesn't believe in today? I feel like not believing in today is okay. So I'm gonna try and get this video under 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn the camera off, get my face done, and then we'll come back to put the things that I got on my face. I feel like I look weird with no mascara, blush, or eyebrows on, so let's put eyebrows on first, because I feel a little awkward. I'm gonna try and use this brush, but it seems a little bit stuffy. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I believe in this. Well, it definitely is creamy. spoolie. I'm probably an adult. I don't think it's terrible. There definitely seems to be like that pomade learning curve, but it's creamy. The thing I don't like is that the brush is angled, so when you dip it down, the tip of it gets a lot more product than the actual like rest of it, so you kind of have to like do the hand thing. It's not horrible. I do feel like it's a little bit messier than most other brow things I normally use. Especially because like when I brushed my other eyebrow to disperse a little bit of extra product, it like went up onto my forehead. So not bad. There is no spoolie with it, and like I said, there seems to be a pretty well-defined, pretty well-defined like design flaw. No spoolie, and then like the angled tip into a flat bit of product, so product isn't equally distributed. But it's really the only real complaints. Brush these out. Not bad. Not how I normally do my eyebrows though, so I think I'm a little bit, what's the word? Biased. Right, so we're gonna use this fluffy P12 Aesthetica brush, which I also got from a BoxyCharm a while ago, to use this Note Desert Rose Blush. Oh, I feel like I'm about to make a horrible mistake. You just like tap tap, and then it's like, I don't know if you can even pick it up. All the color. If I put all that color on my face, I'll look like a clown. Still might look like a clown. I think the pigmentation is pretty intense, which is good. It's not a bad thing for colors to be intense. You just gotta be careful with them. Which I'm not careful. Not careful at all. Not bad though. I think it's a pretty color, especially for this time of year because of the warmth in it. So I'll use it again, and then the mascara. Ooh. The wand is curved. I'm guessing to get like that wiggle and lift. We'll see. I actually really like that. I don't think that it makes them look like anything that they're not. I feel like some people find this brush a little bit pokey, but I found it really easy to get into all the places that I normally have a hard time getting into, like that inner corner. So I like that. As long as it's not all smudgy and weird by the end of the night, I think that's a winner. Let's also clean up the little inner corner where I messed up a little, because I do that. Seems to stay put really well because it doesn't like to smudge away. That's a good thing. Okay, so this is the part of the video where I normally like give you a like small mini review of last month's box, but I never posted a video of last month's box because I didn't edit it, mainly because I was lazy. I could come up with a sea of excuses, but I just didn't do it. Last month, I can't think of anything that I think I really didn't like. Is this... I don't know where the card is to be able to be sure either, because I had lost it. I know the palette that I got is right here, and oh boy have I enjoyed this one. So this was a win. If nothing else in the box was good, I liked that. But I can't give you a review of anything else because A, I don't remember what was in it, and B, I never even posted the video to begin with because I'm a bad Dar. Alright, so that's everything for this Boxy Charm, and I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna film another video here in a second. So I think this is gonna go up Saturday. Today is Thursday. Yeah. That's the plan. Okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.